Welcome back to the Woyu channel. This video is for beginners. Today, I'm going to show you what Bitcoin mining really is. A lot of people have heard about Bitcoin mining, but very few people actually understand mining machines. Right now, this is the machine in my hand. It's a small home miner from the Nerd series. It runs at 12 terahash per second. On the screen, you can see a lot of numbers. Today, I'm not talking about price. I'm not promising fast money. I'm just using a real mining machine that is running right now to show you what Bitcoin mining is actually doing. So first, let me explain it in one simple sentence. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is using Hashrate to help record transactions. Miners are not digging gold underground. They are doing math, a lot of math. These calculations help the Bitcoin network verify transactions and package blocks. Whoever calculates faster, whoever has more hash rate, has a higher chance to get the block reward. Bitcoin has a rule. Every 4 years, the block reward gets cut in half. Right now, the reward is 3.125 Bitcoin. Now let's look at the most important number, hash rate. Here, you can see about 12,000 GS. Whether it's GEs or ETHs, it simply means how many guesses this machine can make every second. Think of it like this. Every second, the machine is guessing answers. More guesses per second means a higher chance to find a block. Now let's talk about something that confuses many beginners. BD. BD means best difficulty. This number shows the best result. This miner recently submitted to the mining pool. Here's the important part. BD is not profit. BD is not hash rate. BD is proof that your miner is actually working. If your hash rate looks normal, but BD stays at 0 for a long time, that means something is wrong. A lot of people ask, why was mining easier before? Why is it harder now? Because Bitcoin automatically adjusts mining difficulty. When total network power goes up, difficulty goes up. This keeps block time around 10 minutes. For example, recent heavy snowstorms in North America caused the total network hash rate to drop by around 260 exahash per second. During this period, the block time was adjusted from 10 minutes to 12 minutes. For miners, it is not just about how powerful the machine is, but efficiency, electricity cost, and stability. Now let's look at the power consumption and voltage on the right. Currently, the displayed hash rate of this mining machine is about 222 watts. For miners, electricity is cost. With the same hash rate, the lower the electricity usage, the greater the profit margin. Many experienced miners will perform undervolting and frequency tuning to find the best efficiency point. The displayed machine temperature right now is 65 degrees Celsius. This temperature is very healthy for an ASIC mining machine. Based on miners' experience, 60 to 70 degrees is an ideal state. 70 to 80 degrees is acceptable in the short term. If it runs above 80 degrees for a long time, it will seriously damage your mining machine. Next, we can see there is a fan speed indicator here. The fan speed is around 2,300 revolutions, which means cooling is normal, and it is not being pushed to the limit. So when you are looking at this screen right now, it is actually answering for questions. Am I calculating fast? Am I stable? How much electricity do I consume? Can I run long term? Real miners do not only look at coin prices every day, but whether these numbers are healthy. If this content is helpful to you, please give a free follow and a free like. If you are interested in this miner, or you want to learn more about miner, you are welcome to join my WhatsApp to receive daily mining machine updates and the best available prices.